Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from iPad Air to an Android device. Begin by opening App Store on iPad and Play Store on an Android. Then download free app called Send Anywhere, and when it's ready, launch it. Now, in order to set it up, you need to tap on proper options in both apps. Let's start with iPad. In the first pop-up about location, pick whatever you want to. In the second one about photos, you need to select Allow full access is very important. And in the third one, whatever you want to again. Then hit continue at the bottom and click on send over here at the top if it's not already on. Then go to an Android. Click on I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. Allow in first two pop-ups and wherever you want to in the other ones. Finally, hit receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Going back to iPad, using all of those categories on the left, select all of your files that you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. When you're ready, hit send next to selected at the bottom. And decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above user guide. Close an app. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. If you want to input this key, hit input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit receive. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!